Have you ever been stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire? Or maybe you had to call a friend over because you didn't know how to put your spare on. Well, both of these can either be time consuming or lead to a lot of money out of your pocket. So don't let a flat tire slow you down any longer. Today I'm going to go over 3 steps that will help you accomplish putting your spare on. The first step consists of jacking the vehicle up. The third step is taking the flat tire off, and the third step is putting the spare tire on. Starting with the first step, you want to jack the vehicle up, but before you do that, you want to loosen the lug nuts. After the lug nuts are loosened, go ahead and roll the jack underneath the vehicle to the designated area for the vehicle to be lifted up. After the vehicle is lifted up, go ahead and proceed to take the lug nuts off using the lug wrench. But before you do that, make sure you twist the jack handle to the right so that you can pump the vehicle up using the jack. The second step consists of taking the flat tire off. What you want to do first is use the lug wrench to go ahead and take the rest of the lugs off. Then once the lug nuts are off, you can hit the top of the tire or wheel to loosen the wheel from the lug studs. After the wheel is loosened from the lug studs, you can easily pull the tire off from the rim, like so. The final step is putting the spare tire on. Before you put your spare on, you want to check the air pressure in the spare tire. Then you want to use your foot to maneuver the tire and place it onto the wheel studs. After the tire is on, you can go ahead and proceed to put the lug nuts on to get them tight. After you've tightened it, finally you want to twist the jack handle to the left. After you twist the jack handle to the left, it'll lower the jack. Once the jack is on the ground, you can go ahead and proceed to make sure that the lug nuts are tightened all the way and as tight as they'll go. I've gone over 3 steps, the 3 main steps for changing your flat tire with a spare. The 3 steps consist of jacking the vehicle up, taking the flat off, and putting your spare on. Once you've done this, you have accomplished it all on your own and no longer have to call a friend or pay a wrecker or a tire shop to come out and do this for you. It'll save you a lot of money. Thanks for your time for listening on how to explain how to put your spare on, and I know you'll do great. Thank you.